Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I have not made a video in a minute, but I wanted to go through all my favorite products for the Sephora sale. The Sephora collection products are 30%. If you're Rouge, you get 20% off the 5th through the 15th. If you're VIB, you get 15% off the 9th through the 15th. And if you're an insider, you get the 9th through the 15th off. So basically you get to access everything earlier if you're Rouge. I think my sister has it. I don't know if I have it, but I have tested everything out. Basically almost every product on the site, and I'm going to tell you what are the things that you absolutely need to buy. Starting with hair care, all the Kerastase stuff in the shower I just used. I love the shower oil. I packed it all the way to Florida from LA. This shower oil is awesome. Definitely want this from Lexington. Dry shampoo from Day is awesome. It smells great. Doesn't really smell like a dry shampoo. People were raving about this product and I didn't understand the hype until I tried it. I used all the Kerastase shampoo and conditioners, especially the Premier collection. I will link it down below. The Premier collection, it's a little bit pricier. It will save your hair. It's like using stuff from a stylist. I also love the Nutritive collection from Kerastase as well. I trade off using the Premier collection, the Nutritive, and then I use like L'Oreal Paris CVS shampoo and conditioners, but for like a nice one from Sephora, definitely splurge on the Kerastase stuff. I also love the leave-in and the oil, which I'm gonna put in my hair right now, and then I kind of finish everything off with this hairspray. As far as skincare, I love the Kula sunscreens. I use these on vacation. I'm gonna start with putting a little bit of this on my face. I'm gonna pump some into my hand and mix it with the CEO Glow from Sunday Riley. I love that it's like a yellow cream. This smells amazing. I really only use this when I'm on vacation, but I love it for vacation. And then obviously the Summer Fridays jet lag mask. This is such a hyped up product, but it actually lives up to the hype. So I would definitely recommend getting this. I have gone through so many tubes. The product's amazing, doesn't break me out. None of these products break me out, and that's what I care about most with my skincare, and that I'm using good products on my skin that are like cruelty free and all of that, and all of these are, which is great. So I'm gonna mix it up. Mix it in. It's like I just made a little skin cocktail. Oh, I wish I could like make you guys smell this. It smells amazing. When you want to smell? Yeah, it smells nice. I bet you would. And then I love the Laneige. I can never pronounce this. I think it's Laneige lip mask. The pink one and the blue one, both great. My lips are super chapped right now because I burnt them, which never really happens, but I burnt my lips and now they're chapped. But I have noticed if you get lip filler, your lips never get chapped. All right, I'm gonna add some of this into my hair before I go blow dry it. Obviously, you're gonna use the Dyson. If you don't own the Dyson yet, this is the perfect time to buy the Dyson while it's on sale. And they have so many cute limited editions out right now for it too. Just use a few drops of my Kerastase oil. I like these products too because I have really thin hair and they don't weigh my hair down, which is very important to me. Okay, I just finished Dysoning my hair and trying to like pin up the front pieces. I'll most likely add my extensions in at the very end and then redo the front just to give it a little more volume. But I sprayed it and now I'm gonna start my makeup. So all these products are things that I packed with me on vacation, which means they made the cut of my makeup bag. Okay, the first product is a primer. I love this Too Faced one. I like that it doesn't break me out and it's also very hydrating. It doesn't have a weird smell. Just kind of like a milky, like a lightweight to it. I have used the Ilia one as well, the milky base one, and I would recommend that. It was just too heavy to bring on vacation, but that is good to have like at home. As far as foundation goes, I like this Hourglass Skin Tint. I have this in shade 9, but I think 8 might be more my shade. And then the Luminous Silk Giorgio Armani foundation for more of like a heavy duty full coverage look, and this is in shade 5.1. So I'm gonna go in with this. This is something I will be rebuying at the sale as well since I'm running low. I have rebought this literally since college, which is crazy. I always blend it in with this IT Cosmetics foundation brush. I've had this brush for like 5 years. I have this in my top 10 must-buys. It's such a staple to my makeup routine and I would not go anywhere without this. And if I lost it, I would buy a new one immediately. And then it has the other little side if you want to get in, you know, closer to the eye or whatnot and use more of it for like concealer. For concealers, I love to kind of go like underneath my eyes and cover any pimples with these two Kosas ones. I got shade 3 Warm and 3.2 Olive. I'm definitely more of like the colder skin tones. Like I don't have a lot of orange in my skin. I have a lot of pink. I also love the Haas Labs by Lady Gaga brand as well. Moving on, I always do bronzer kind of all over my face first, and then I will go in with more of like a contoured bronzer after. For an all over bronzer, I love the Too Faced one. Just natural chocolate golden cocoa bronzer. It smells like hot chocolate actually. And I'll just kind of warm up my face all around the edges. And for more of a contoured look with it, I like this Say Beauty brush. And the next product I am going to be doing is blush. I do love for a cream blush this Say Beauty. Look at how pretty this pink is. I'm going to do this on one side and then a different blush on the other. This is in shade Baby. I'm obsessed. Look at it. I love it. This is shade Baby. It's so pretty. I'll go in on this side. You can see it just blends in really easily, like so easy. You can kind of go heavy with the product because of how easily it blends in. And this is like a very pretty light blush look. If you know me, I like a little bit more of a blush to my face. I think it warms my face up. I will use the Too Faced ones more often than not. This is the Golden Hour. I think this shade is very similar to the NARS Orgasm blush, but I would buy this one instead. I love it. It kind of smells cinnamony in a way, and it just has like a really pretty blush shimmer feel to it. I'm gonna kind of go over this side just to match it a little. And then their other shade that I'm obsessed with is the very, very pink one. This is such a fun birthday gift. I think if you're gonna get someone like a gift from the Sephora sale, this is a great thing to get. It's the Crush Clouds Candy Clouds color. Look at how pink this is. I dropped this putting it on people at a wedding recently. I almost cried and I had to replace it immediately because it's one of my favorite products. Look at how pink this is. Next up is highlighter. I love the Becca highlighter. They just restocked it on Sephora. I'm so pumped. It's the Smashbox Becca one. That is my #1, but my #2 is this Too Faced one. It's like the Moon Crush highlight. I love this little like pencil that's like a little mini fluffy brush to just do the tip of my nose, the bridge of my nose, highlight the top of my cheekbone. Oh, you can really see it catching the light. This is so pretty. And then here, and then I'll get the just under my eyebrow bone area. This next thing is 1000% in my top 10 holy grails. They're the DM Color Fix cream shadows. This is the best product for people that don't know how to do makeup or don't know how to blend eyeshadow or don't have the time. Get a cream shadow and just do this. It's so easy, and they're also very cheap. I think I bought them for $12, but I think they're now $20, and maybe they're in like a little bit bigger of a bottle. But look at how easily this goes on. Prettiest shimmer. Look at that. Oh my god, I'm obsessed with it, and like you literally can't screw it up. So I also will use that as like a primer too if I have more time to do my makeup, and then I will go in and fill out the corners with this Pillow Talk Dreams palette. It's the Dreams. So there's regular Pillow Talk and then there's Dreams, and it's like all the colors are a shade darker than the other one, and I feel like that really brings out the hues in my eyes. So I like to use this top right corner. It's like a pinky color, and I will do kind of like in the crease and the outer corner to create like a pink smoky eye look. And this gives like a very natural look too. It's nothing too harsh because I have really soft features and light eyes. Next part, I'm gonna brush my eyebrows. I love this Hourglass stencil. I use the spoolie on it. It's like a double-ended stick. My next step, I'm not gonna show you guys because it's not a Sephora brand mascara, but if I was buying a Sephora brand mascara, I would do the new pink tube of Naturally Better Than Sex mascara from Too Faced. We are in the final stretch. I should have done it this zoomed in the whole time, but if you want to see up close of my makeup, it's looking pretty good. I'm pretty impressed. Okay, I'm gonna do some setting spray. I love this Milk Makeup, what's it called? Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Set. It really does grip everything on. Like my makeup does not move when I use this. I love it. I'm not doing it tonight, but if I was doing a red lip, I love this Hourglass duo. I just got new ones. It is like the best red lip in the world. Look at this. It's stunning. It's like the perfect shade of red. It's like that iconic red. My favorite lip liners of all time, these are also on my top 10 list, is the Too Faced Lip Injection liners in Puffy Nude and Cinnamon Swell. They are so good. Like, I'm obsessed. I'm gonna go in with the Cinnamon Swell. There's also a third one that I like too. They will set your lips on fire. Like, if you want your lips to be on fire and get really swollen and look like you just had lip filler, these are great. But yeah, definitely don't kiss anyone right after you put this on. They'll be like, what is going on? My boyfriend thought he was having an allergic reaction. I was like, no, that is my lip liner. These are like my favorites of all the glosses. The Summer Fridays lip oils. Buy all four. They're amazing. Well, if you're my skin tone, maybe don't buy the really dark one because it won't match. Also, if this is restocked, Sugar Baby by Huda Beauty. This shade is so good, but I saw it was sold out, but it might be restocked for the sale. So if it is, definitely buy this. And then all the new YSL candy lip balms, they're amazing. They are so good. Like, I don't know what's in these, but they nailed all three of these brands, like absolutely nailed the products. Okay, for my final step is my setting powder. I love the Huda Beauty Banana Bread setting powder. This stuff is awesome. You definitely want to buy this. I know this does sell out and restocks. I think I'd put this in my top 10. If not, I should have. I love it. It's amazing. It will keep everything all in place. And I get the little mini size so I can put it in my purse and just be dabbing my face in the bathroom throughout my nights out. Okay, I'm gonna take my hair out and add my extensions and show you guys my final look. Okay, just put my extensions in, touched up the little front pieces since I had them clipped back, added my finishing touches of the Kerastase hairspray. But yeah, this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you can take some of my recommendations into the Sephora sale. I'll link everything down below, obviously, including my top 10 products. But yeah, happy shopping, and if you haven't yet, please subscribe to my channel. I can't wait to share more videos with you guys. Bye.